Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. This is Dr. Mayank and I welcome you to my channel. And the new update, the new notification of the PhD is from the NICER, which is one of the best institute for PhD. I highly recommend this institute for PhD if your subject is in the list. This is an autonomous institute under the government of India. So no doubt, without any hesitation, without searching the level of PhD and all, you have to participate in this university, in this institution, if you are eligible. Now see, this is the advertisement, the PDF notification, which state that the admission has been scheduled from 1st January 2023. And what are the branches? School of Biological Sciences, Chemical Sciences, Computer Sciences, Humanity and Social Sciences, and Physical Sciences. So it's almost covering all the 5 major branches, under which the subjects are may vary, because see, you can see the minimum education qualification. All those who are having masters in agriculture science, biology, life science, pharmacy, computer science, veterinary science, biotechnology are eligible under biological sciences. So through this way, you have to check your eligibility in which school you are eligible. Similarly, chemical science students, computer science, humanity and social science, and the physical science. Now, the very important thing, they have mentioned the percentage, so you have to follow 60% or equivalent marks. Now they are not considering 50%, because I am getting many queries. Some students are there, the profile is very good, but what is the problem? They are having second division in masters or second division in graduation. So this will create a problem. You have to select university very properly, because this is the last last decision of your career studies. So you have to be very sincere. Any doubt, you can contact me. I'll try to clear your doubt. I'll try to guide you. So because today in the morning I just received a message, one of the student, so I sincerely help her so that she will select a best place for her future career. So please be sincerely select the university which you really want. Okay, now this is the requirement of qualifying national level examination pursuing PhD. So according to this, for biological science, for chemical, computer, humanity and physics, they are considering the candidates should have qualified at least one of the national examination. So this shows that this institute is calling only the students who have qualified at least a national level test. Means through this PDF or through this notification or this link, they have not mentioned anything about the examination. But I don't know why, because they have also mentioned about the examination. Because see, the fellowship option, student with institute fellowship from NICER will be eligible to draw 31,000 first 2 years, which will subsequently announce 35,000 for the remaining 3 years, subject to the condition that he fulfill all the criteria of the institute, will be the stipend from time to time. Or iska matlab ki NICER is also giving the fellowship to the students, all the students. Those who don't have fellowship from the external funding, the NICER will give the full fellowship, that is 31,000 and 35,000. सो एग्जामिनेशन का इन्होंने अभी कहीं भी बात नहीं किया है, डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू है सारे स्कूल्स में. सो इफ यू आर एलिजिबल, इवन द नेट एलएस स्टूडेंट्स कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई, और एलएस वालों को भी फुल फेलोशिप मिलेगा एज पर द एडवर्टीजमेंट. उसके बाद यहाँ पे क्लियरली रिसर्च एरियाज डिफाइंड हैं. उससे पहले मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ. देखिए यहाँ पर एक इंपॉर्टेंट नोट है कि द कट ऑफ मार्क्स फॉर द नेशनल एग्जामिनेशन, जो आपके कट ऑफ मार्क्स हैं नेशनल एग्जामिनेशन के, उनकी एक मेरिट बनेगी. स्कूल, डिफरेंट स्कूल में अलग अलग कट ऑफ बनेगी. और ये चीज मेरे को थोड़ा सा अजीब लगी, बट दिस इज क्लियरली रिटन कि जो डीएसटी इंस्पायर डॉक्टरेट फेलोज हैं, उनके पास अगर कोई नेशनल लेवल रिटन एग्जामिनेशन क्वालिफाई नहीं है तो वो इसमें एलिजिबल नहीं है. नाउ दिस इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज. Students having DST inspired doctoral fellowship only without qualifying any other national level written examination as mentioned in this will not be considered for admission to the PhD in NICER. So अगर आप DST Inspire के थ्रू सोच रहे हो यहाँ जाने का, so they are not considering you. So this is, I don't know, this is why this point has been included, but this has been mentioned. So DST Inspire fellows, avoid this application. Now द रिसर्च एरियाज, देखिए इन्होंने क्लियरली मेंशन किया है, ये इतने सारे इतने अच्छे रिसर्च एरिया है, मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी, प्रोटीन इंजीनियरिंग, सेल बेस्ड मॉडलिंग, तो आपको इसी रिसर्च एरिया में से चूज करना है. हर स्कूल का, देखिए हर स्कूल का कंडेंस मटेरियल थ्योरी, कंडेंस मटेरियल एक्सपेरिमेंट, हाई एनर्जी थ्योरी, हाई एनर्जी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स बिल्कुल क्लियरली है. फिर सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर उन्होंने बोला है, शॉर्ट लिस्ट आएगा आपके एप्लीकेशन के बेस पे, फिर मिनिमम एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन के बेस पे आपका इंटरव्यू होगा, सप्लीमेंटेड बाय अ रिटन टेस्ट इफ नेसेसरी. हो सकता है इंटरव्यू के बाद एक रिटन टेस्ट भी करवाएं, अदरवाइज आपके रिकॉर्ड्स और परफॉर्मेंस और ओवरऑल के बेस पे दैट योर सिलेक्शन विल बी डिसाइडेड. So how to apply? This is the link. You have to register step by steps. You have to upload all the documents, scanned documents to the website. Just follow the instruction very carefully. एक और important चीज, when you will apply, when you are registering yourself and uploading all the document, see the second last point, to seal letter of reference in the prescribed format with signature of the referees on the envelope should be produced by the student at the time of interview. इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे आपको कॉपी ऑफ द रेफरेंस लेटर इज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. एक रेफरेंस, दो रेफरेंस लेटर चाहिए, मतलब आप अपने किसी गाइड से या प्रोफेसर से, जिस भी यूनिवर्सिटी से आप इस चीज को जानते हो, वो आपके बारे में एक रिकमेंडेशन लिखेगा, तो दो रेफरेंस लेटर उनके लगेंगे वाइल एट द टाइम ऑफ इंटरव्यू. उसके बाद है एप्लीकेशन कब एक्टिवेट है, 8 ऑफ नवंबर से, एंड लास्ट डेट है 22 ऑफ नवंबर. और ये अलग अलग शॉर्टलिस्ट डेट आएगी अलग अलग स्कूल के अकॉर्डिंग. जिस स्कूल में आप अप्लाई करेंगे आपको कॉल लेटर पर्सनली मेल पे आ जाएगा, और अगर उससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेरी है देन यू कैन गेट बैक टू दिस ईमेल. गॉट इट? सो दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन, एंड प्लीज fill this application if you have qualified national level test except DST, because this is the best institute for research in Bhubaneswar, and I highly recommend this institute compared to the central universities also. अगर आप मेरे से पूछोगे कि मैं BHU में आऊँ कि नाइसर में जाऊँ, तो मैं रिकमेंड अपने आप की, मैं अगर अब मेरा खुद का एप्लीकेशन होता, मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन होते, then I'll choose the नाइसर instead of central university. So all the very best guys. Any doubt you can just post me the comment or telegram me. I'll solve you personally. So but for that you have to subscribe the channel, और अगर information अच्छी लगी हो then you have to like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.